45 bucks. $45.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Nice.
New HDO 10K.
So this is a 10,000 monoblock?
Yeah, that's the new one.
Is it a 1 ohm or half ohm statement?
It goes down to half ohm. It'll do, according to their bugs, they say it's 6.7. It'll do 18,000 watt burst. So I got it wired at 0.7.
0.7, okay. With the 6 subs?
Yep, 6215s.
Nice. What size alternator?
300 XL, brand new. Brand new, this on the back. Yeah, 63 amp hours.
And this is a 6th order?
The 6th order is 27 on the back tune, 45 on the front. 2 to 1.
There.
Just something to play here. We're going to do 16 to 23 hertz.
Okay.
For what? Use Series 15s.
How much power are you putting on them? Probably 1,500 a piece, maybe 15 2K. Wow.
They're very efficient.
Very, very efficient. Very nice job, Robert. Robert, right?
Yeah, man.
Thank you very much for the demo. And that thing is musical. How low was that playing down to?
I can play down to 15,
Yes, sir.
and then go all the way up to 60.
Very nice. That's a good bandwidth.
And like when I play like a 33 hertz track, it'll make your back itch.
Oh yeah, right here. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it'll beat you up.
Thank you very much, man.
It actually squeezes you. bass with the Salt A, never on with the 10K, and I'm almost double as loud.
Really?
Yeah, I was only pushing 29, 65 with the Salt 8K. This has way more power.
Oh, yeah.
I'm actually making power. I'm actually making power now.
Oh, yeah. Putting the subs to work.
Oh yeah, they're working like
Hey, have a good day, man. Wow. Nice job, Robert.
All right, Jake.
Looks good.
See you guys.
You too, man. Have fun today.
I'm trying to.
Yes.